So here, before like we getting into the project, I want to make sure that what if we don't have like access to the template and we want to load in or insert the template that we want to use. So first of all, what is important is to have a template file. So that is very important. You can either download the template, let's say the proper template that you're looking for. If you want to like do a structural project, architectural, mechanical, whatever, you need to have first the proper template. So you can go ahead and download that from like Googling that up, or I can share you guys the template file here. So then like once you download that template and put on the same address that it's supposed to be, you can make sure to have your hands on that template whenever you open up the Revit. So to do that, what I'm going to do is to go on R, or what I can do is like do one step back if you guys are using the new version, like 2020 or 2021. And then you go on File, you go on Option. In here, there is like an icon called File Location. So once you are already on File, on Option, you go on File Location, and you can see all these templates that are already available to you guys, so then you can start up your project with them. Now here, what I want to do is, suppose that like I don't have access to these templates. So what I can do if like I cannot see any sort of template, suppose that even that template is not available. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how we can technically load on a template here. If you simply go to this add value thing and click on it, Revit will automatically bring you to the address that these templates are already collected. Now, what if the address is not there? So to get your hands on the address, what you need to do is go like on your computer, C, drive C, where the Revit is actually installed. And then you go to Autodesk, or first of all, before like going to Autodesk, you need to go to program data. However, this program data, as you can see, it's a hidden file. So make sure to first turn on your hidden files, so then the hidden files will get like appeared up, so you can go through them. So right now, I'm going to program data, and then here on Autodesk. So I need to scroll down till I found Autodesk. See whether you can see the Autodesk. Here you go with Autodesk. So you go on Autodesk, and then according to the version that you guys are using, you need to go to RVT version. Since I'm using Revit 2020, then you go with RVT 2020. You go there, and then there is sort of like a folder called templates. So you can go there directly, and then according to the region that you guys are using, or like any sort of languages, for example, I have like all my templates already collected under the Canada folder. So I'm gonna go there, and as you can see, those are all the templates that I'm having under this folder. For example, since I want to use within, since I want to do an architectural project, I prefer to go within default metric one. This is actually like a very good template already available to us, and it does have like all we needed. So I would 100% suggest this template among all others that we have. However, if you are on other versions, or let's say more previous versions, you might have access also to another template called architectural project. But like in 2020 or 2021 that like we're using here, most likely those names would not be there. So in case of like not having them, these are the very classic and basic templates that are like super useful in terms of the architecture. So I'm going to click on that. And here is the address if like you guys lost the track of that. So you can go through this address if like you guys are already have Revit installed on the default path, which is C program data. So once you're there, make sure to choose default metric on, and then you can scroll that up, and put it up there to make sure that it's available at your very first click. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click on OK. And from now on, once I open up Revit and I click on New here, as you can see, as the very first suggested templates, default metric will show up. So I can simply choose that if that is what I want, or I can like scroll between other templates and choose the one that I wish to go with. So I'll put that on default metric, and I'll make sure to put this on project. So once this is on project, then you're all good and you can go ahead and click on. So that's the way how you guys will be able to open up a proper template and set it up in a way that every single time that you open up Revit, you'll have that template already at your hand. So I hope you guys find this video useful, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, as I'm always constantly updating the contents to make sure that you guys are getting to learn new stuff and tricks. Thank you.